Hey everybody, Stephen Jondra here from GonnaGeek.com and the Gonna Geek Gear YouTube channel, here with another unboxing. This time we're looking at the Mysa smart thermostat. This is a smart thermostat that is for baseboard heaters. Yes, I do have baseboard heat, and so we're gonna go ahead and unbox this, and I will have a review a little bit later on the official Gonna Geek show, and of course I'll go and throw that section onto the Gonna Geek Gear YouTube channel as well. So having a look here, looks like there's just some product information on the side. It does tell you it is electric heat only. So you've got that, and it tells you what exactly it's compatible with and all the other information. So I'll just hold that there for a second so that you can pause if you want to read that. On the back, again, some more information on there talking about just a whole bunch of other details as well. We'll go ahead and hold that. And then on this side, showing that there is a bunch of compatibility, including the, well, I won't say these so I don't trigger a bunch of devices. So we've got those three there, and if this, then that. All right, let's go ahead and unbox this now. All right, so, oh, okay. Looks like I was very close to the actual product itself. Let's see, how does this come out? Looks like, okay. This here is the actual device. Oh, okay. I see what we've got going on here. Where does this open? All right. So it looks like, does that come out? Yeah. First off, we've got the actual device. If you haven't looked it up, this will light up. You can kind of see it on the box there. And I've actually looked at the install already. The install instructions, essentially there's a screw. The screw comes out. The faceplate comes off. Then this back part here with the wires is what gets mounted to the wall. And then of course you slip the faceplate back on and thread the screw in there. So on the back, you can see there are 4 different wires. I believe if I remember correctly, there's a second version of this. I think this is the first, and I think the ground is quite different. I don't think the ground's an independent wire. Don't quote me on that though, but I do know that there is 2 versions. I remember seeing that. So that's the main device there, and really nothing much to see when it's unplugged. On the inside, it looks like it does come with the various components. There's the screws as well as the connectors. And then you've got here the information on the actual product itself and how to set it up here. I do know that I've looked, and there's actually an app that also does do the instructions and seems pretty straightforward on that. But if you want, you have a book itself telling you all about it and how to set it up. And then that's it. That's really it. There's nothing else that you really have inside. But there you go. That's going to do it for the unboxing for the Mysa Smart Thermostat, which is, of course, as I mentioned, well, I didn't mention it, I just didn't say it, but it's compatible with a few different smart devices. If you like this video and you like other techie geeky videos, please do subscribe to the Gonna Geek Gear channel and check out all the awesome content at GonnaGeek.com.